shut that. Shut it all the way.
I got it.
Jake, don't use that.
You
Why?
can. It's fine.
It's a tool.
It's okay. Just don't. Want me to do it? Because I don't want you to cut yourself.
I've used it before. It's
Okay.
just, I don't
Not
want
towards your fingers.
no way.
Okay, that's good for that side. And charge her up a little, Jake. We might need to install some stuff on it still. I'm not sure. Here, alright, there, you're good now.
I got one too! Oh my goodness!
Read it. Read it. Read the note.
It's the same thing!
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to make a mess.
Read the note on the front.
I did.
No.
We hope this will make you smile, also help you in school. Looking forward to being able to see you and chat with you too. Love you, sweet girl. Mimi and Pawpaw. Thank you!
Are you surprised?
Yes, I didn't think I was gonna get one. Like since it was just like Jake already got one. Thank you. It's a big box now. Oh, I can put my other presents in it.
Pretty crazy, you guys.
Insane. I remember like everyone in school would be like, I'm getting a
Here.
laptop for Christmas and an iPad.
Give
I
this
don't
to
know what
Jake.
the heck I'm getting. Where's mine?
Open them up.
Wait, I'm gonna put this behind me so I can put my presents in it.
Here, behind you, Emily.
Yeah.
Camera's here.
All right. Can I go?
Yeah. This one's from Kentucky, isn't it?
It's cupcakes.
I
Oh.
think she would have wrote fragile on it. So I kind of messed them up if they win. Paul Frank. Physical education. Push it to the limit.
Let me see. Nice monkey.
And sweatpants.
Those are cute.
Yeah.
Do you like monkeys?
I think they're jammies.
Do you like hearts?
I think they're jammies too. I do like heart.
There's nothing like new pajamas.
I have one right here. Thank you. Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm.
You have a big one.
Thank you, Mimi and Pawpaw.
Go ahead, Jake.
I wonder if Jake got pajamas in that box.
You just might have. I liked your idea.
Yeah.
They match his
That's
boxers.
Oh my goodness, that's so funny.
Hot sauce.
Yes.
They match his boxers.
Dude, that's awesome.
I'm spicy. What else is in the box, kid? Uh-oh. Get this on video. What the heck?
I didn't fall. If that's what you're thinking.
Nice.
Woo, woo.
Bueno pantalones.
Boy, you hot. Get it?
Los pantalones es mucho caliente.
Oh, nice.
Ow! Shit on my face.
La cabeza.
Wow, check you out.
Gracias.
Perfect fit.
Good job.
Everybody say goodbye to Mimi and Papa.
Bye,
Bye,
Mimi
Mimi
and
and
Papa.
Papa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.